What's up, guys? In this episode, I'm going to show you what to do if your battery is draining too fast. Usually, this presents itself when your battery has gone through many charge cycles, and a lot of the times it's time to make a change. You need to replace your battery. There's one way you can find out if that's the case. You can go to your settings. My case is right here, but you can always swipe down from the middle of your screen. Just type in settings like so, and you can see the icon appears right here. Let's click on that, and we're going to scroll down all the way here where it says battery. Click on that. Okay, we're going to click now on the second option where it says battery health. Okay, since my iPhone is relatively new, you can see my maximum capacity is 100%. Now, what happens when your iPhone is a little bit older and has gone through several charge cycles? This is going to, the 100% is going to start lowering to maybe 95, 90, and it's just going to start dropping. When it drops to below 80%, that's when you need to start thinking about changing your battery or perhaps even your phone. Okay, I'm gonna swipe up from the bottom of my screen so I can go to my home page. And that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be with you with more tips.